Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Automation 2050. In this video, I am going to actually explain you about the image recognition, introduction to the image recognition, and what are the projects that involved in image recognitions. Let's get started by learning a bit about the topic. Image recognition is as its heart image classification. Like we can see images or real world images, and we can classify them into one or more of many possible categories. The categories used are entirely up to you, used to decide. For example, we could divide all animals into mammals, birds, fish, reptiles, etc. Alternatively, we can divide animals into carnivores, omnivores, or herbivores. Perhaps we could also divide animals into how they move, such as their attributes, not the attributes, their actions like swimming, flying, walking, like that. So there are potentially endless sets of categories that we could use. Among categories, we divide things based on the set of characteristics. When categorizing animals, we might choose characteristics as fur, hair, feathers. Maybe we look at the shape of their bodies, or go more specific by looking at their teeth or how their feet are shaped. Once again, we choose there are potentially endless characteristics we could also look for. So, I will tell you. Actually, I am in this video. We are going to. It's a podcast, so I am going to just explain you what is image recognition and how to deal with it. So, just like a phrase, what you see is what you get, says human brains make vision easily. So it doesn't take any effort for humans to tell apart a dog, a cat, or some animal. But this process is quite hard for the computer to intimate. As you all know, a common example is OCR, it's an optical character recognition. A scanner can identify the characters in the image to convert the text in an image to a text file. Whereas with the same process, optical character recognition can be applied to recognize the text also in an image. So how does image recognition work? So this question will everybody have this question. How do we train a computer to tell one image apart from another image? For example, how the computer is taking dog as dog, cat as cat. The process of an image recognition model is no different from the process of machine learning model. I am listing the modeling process for image recognition. Step 1, it's used to extract the pixel features from the image. Like in the above video, you can see like a dog means it will extract the pixels. Like for example, first a great number of characteristics called features are extracted from the image. An image is actually made of pixels, as shown in the figure. Like in the video, the image is actually made of pixels. Each pixel is represented by the number or set of number, and the range of this number is called color depth. In other words, the color depth indicates the maximum number of potential colors that can be used in an image. In an 8-bit grayscale image, each pixel has one value that ranges from 0 to 255. And RGB, that is a red, green, blue color image, means the color in the pixel is a combination of red, green and blue. So each of the color ranges from 0 to 255, as you all know. So this is a basic example. So step 2 is, step 1, as I told you already, extracting the pixel features from an image. Step 2 is prepare labeled image to train the model. Step 3 is train the model to be able to categorize the image by using neural networks. Step 4 is convolutional neural networks. That's the algorithm for the image recognition. And step 4 is recognize or predict a new image to be one of the categories. So step 1 is extracting the pixel features from an image. Step 2 is prepare labeled image to train the model. Step 3 is train the model to be able to categorize images. Step 4 is recognize or predict a new feature to be one of the categories. A gentle algorithm for this image classification, a hugely used algorithm for image recognition, is convolutional neural network, CNN. And one of the popular dataset in the data science is MNIST, handwriting digit images to explain the CNN. So for this MNIST images, I will give you the dataset link also in the description box below. So important popular algorithm for CNN is, like for the image recognition, is convolutional neural network. And or many people have this question: why does data science matter in image recognition? Because and vision and speech are two crucial human interactions elements. Data science is able to imitate these human tasks using computer vision and speech recognition technologies. So identifying the human nowadays, like we are using face lock and all, is there in all the mobiles. So identifying the human faces, detecting the objects, like Google and all is used to detect objects, recognizing the patterns. So for example, used to detect the colors and shapes and all. So for example, if you have I will tell the real-time example also. In your phone there is a Google photo. In that photo there are lots of images. It will categorize each and images as food, things, cars and all. So how it will recognize based upon these 4 steps only. So after that I will tell you, like, so as far as I concern, like convolutional neural network is used for the image recognition techniques. So business, when coming to the business applications, image recognition has wide business applications. In the next module I will explain you the CNN algorithm along with the image recognition demo, along with some basic explanation and example. This is a short podcast video just to intro about what is image recognition. Thank you. Hope all these videos are useful for you. Our channel is basically for automation, data science, AI, IoT and technologies channel. So like, please like, share and subscribe to your friends. Like, please like, share and subscribe to this channel before seeing this video, and also share this channel to all your friends and colleagues. Thank you so much. Thank you for all your support. Signing off from Rohini Kalyanaraman.